Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Tsoseletso. I'm the founder of Xcessive pools. Our services include building new swimming pools, repairing pools, anything that concerns swimming pools, it's us. Today's experience was very amazing. I got to learn different strategies. I got an opportunity to meet with different investors and entrepreneurs. I feel like I didn't have enough time to express my business. Our Facebook account is Xcessive Pools. You can also call or WhatsApp us at 061 968 634. I am the winner and I'm so excited. I'm very grateful for today's experience. Hi, my name is Tsoseletso and I'm the Township Entrepreneur.